welcome back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we have our Target beauty box for September 2019. Now, this is not a subscription. If you are not familiar with the Target beauty box, this is something you actually go in and order. They usually post them available on their website. Sometimes the first Monday of the month, usually it's the second. This month it did happen to be the first Monday of the month, but this is only a $7 box. It's free shipping and it's usually filled with stuff that is amazing. But like I said, it is not a subscription, so you do have to go in and order each month. But the one thing I like about it is you get to see what is in the box, so you kind of know, do I want to spend my money on that or not? There have been some months that I've skipped. Like, I don't think I ordered the August box because I was just like, I don't know that I'm really going to use that. But, you know, I really like that because, like I said, if you don't want to spend, even though it's just $7, it's $7. I mean, $7 is $7. And if you don't want to spend the money because you really don't think you're going to use it, you don't have to. Like I said, it's something you go in and physically order each month. But I did want to pick up the September one, so here we have it. So we are going to dive in here. Before we do, I want to remind you guys, we do have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So if you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become a part of our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxings, reviews, live streams, obviously giveaways, and that that giveaway ends on the 22nd of this month, as well as the thrifted bag, where you could win a Betsey Johnson backpack. That giveaway also ends on the 22nd. And then we do have our makeup and skincare giveaway with 2 winners that will be ending the first week of October. So we have a couple of different giveaways going on right now. So definitely check them out if you haven't. But I will put a link down below. As far as I know, this is still available. So I'll put a link down below to the Target Beauty Box if you would like to check them out. But let's get in here and see what September has in store. I think the box is super cute and it kind of matches my background with leaves. All right, so it says glow into fall. Summer might be winding down, but who says your beauty routine needs to? With the help of a few power products, you can keep glowing into fall and beyond. Here are the go-tos that'll keep your skin, hair, and nails radiant as ever. You can thank us later. Try them out if you love them as much as we do. Find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. And then on the back, it tells you about the products. It doesn't tell you pricing. And this is one thing. Okay, so they always do a coupon here for $3 off a 15 or more beauty purchase, which is great. However, they have started, and it's not consistent. This is one thing I don't understand. Sometimes it's like this where you have to use the Target app, and sometimes it is literally a coupon that you can like cut off of here and take into the store or whatever. I personally prefer the actual coupon better than this. That's just my opinion. And then also, like I said, with the fact that some months it is the coupon, some months it seems to be this. I don't know why they're switching it up, but that's not my call. That's above my pay grade, if you will. So let's just get in here and see what we got. I honestly don't remember. I remember one thing, but I don't remember anything else. All right, so fill back the tissue paper, see some products. All right, so we have here from Trim. This is 2 emery boards. Obviously it's a full size. Oh, I like put the card in the top of the box and now I can't get it out. All right. So it says board in pink. Gently buff and smooth out edges, giving nails a soft, shiny finish so polish goes on seamlessly and looks perfect. Now, I will put this to the side for a future giveaway. I get my nails done, so I really don't need this. I get like the gel manicure, so I wouldn't use this. So hopefully one of you guys will get use out of it. And then this was what made me want to get this box because I thought it was worth it. This is the Chic Intuition razor. It says no need for shave gel. It's with aloe and vitamin E. Sensitive Care Razor Signature Skin Conditioning Solid contains vitamin A and aloe to gently moisturize skin, while the 4-blade razor and pivoting head provide precise control for a smooth, even shave. And then it says, after you shave, rinse off with cold water to close pores. So I like this because you can see there, it does have the stuff around the actual blades and the razor. So you don't need shave gel. You don't have to lather up and do all that. It's like, it takes a whole step out. So it makes me more inclined to actually shave my legs, just to be honest. All right, and then we have from Miss Spa. We have gotten this before. This is a Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask with natural aloe. It says restores and replenishes even the driest skin. Dermatologist tested. It's a 20-minute mask. So I'll probably put this to the side for a giveaway as well. I have tons of sheet masks. I do love them, like, and that's probably why I have as many as I do. Like, I'm hoarding them. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put this to the side for a future giveaway. But it says for that, the Miss Spa Hydrate Facial Sheet Mask, aloe vera and sodium hyaluronate deliver a healthy dose of hydration, while the sheet mask allows the yummy ingredients to absorb into your skin. Hello, glow. All right, so then we have this, it's just a foil packet sample of the Tresemme Botanique Color Vibrance and Shine. It is a low lather shampoo and a conditioner with pomegranate and camellia oil. So there is that. And it says that the Color Vibrance and Shine shampoo, blend of pomegranate and camellia oil deeply nourish hair and gently cleanses strands, giving locks a beautiful and healthy glow. And then the conditioner, pomegranate and camellia oils provide salon level conditioning that won't strip strands of their gorgeous color, leaving hair silky, smooth, and shiny. So definitely try those. And then we have one more product, and now I do remember, and this one intrigued me so much. Okay, so this is by Dove, and it is an antiperspirant. It's a deodorant. It's a sample because it's like a serum. So this is what it looks like. This, I don't know, this just has me so like, what? All right, Dove Dry Serum Powder Touch. Dry serum formula absorbs into skin instantly and provides up to 48 hours of odor protection, so you'll smell delish and feel clean all day long. Here's a trick. Apply before bed and allow deodorant to sink into skin overnight so it's even more effective the next day. This to me is definitely different. It says, a real treat for your underarms. Discover our new luxurious dry serum antiperspirant. Ultra lightweight, instantly dry to the touch, silky smooth underarms with up to 48 hours of protection. Curious? Feel it to believe it. Apply half of the sample to each underarm using your fingertips. And it says rose silk, a vibrant and uplifting scent of a bouquet of roses, magnolia, and peony. I'm not really a fan of rose, but it says also available in powder finish and jasmine touch fragrances. Now the jasmine touch I probably would like, or even the powder fresh, but I use the the Dove Dry Spec. I'm seriously gonna have a blooper reel one day. I use the Dove Dry Spec Spray shampoo or deodorant. Oh my gosh, y'all, what is told you I'm a hot mess. The Dove Dry Spray Deodorant. Bam. That is the deodorant that I use. But a serum that's a dry like that, I'm so curious about this. Like, I seriously want to go to Target, even without trying it, and purchase it because it just sounds different and awesome. I don't know. This honestly, I mean, the razor definitely puts the value of the box there, but this is what I'm most excited about. Like, I don't know. Am I weird? I mean, I know I'm weird, but Like, I'm so excited for this. But anyway, that was our September 2019 Target Beauty Box. Did you guys get the box? Have you tried that serum? Have you tried the shampoo? Have you tried the razor? Let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.